Hi, so Marcos here, and so welcome back to my channel. And this is part 3 of my. This is part 3, so we're gonna finish this. Okay, so we're not gonna finish it, but now we have to do the punishment. And the loser is Bella. And there's no even punishments. You have to, so you will get dizzy. And then if you are tired, you should go to the losers area. Okay, so we start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Are you feeling okay?
Yeah.
So let's wait. If she's done already, we have to say bye-bye now. Are you tired now?
No.
She's always not tired, guys. But
I'm tired.
okay, so you have to go to the losers area, Bella.
Yeah.
So the losers area is Coca Martin's land. Bye bye. Yeah, yeah, because we're done already. Bro! Guys, my cousin said Clay, but never said. No, what's that? Guys, we need to jump. One, 2, 3. Can you do this? Guys, can you? And can you also do this? And you can also do this, whatever you want.
You will start on my feet.
Yeah, she will start. So it's almost time. So we say goodbye in 3 minutes. And so I'm gonna charge my phone. So bye bye, bro. Bye bye. Bye, everyone. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe.